Hey, sixth grade. Welcome back. So last class, we had our first nonfiction read aloud with Miss Julia. We listened as she read Fast Food Nation, and we learned tons of information about fast food companies and the dangers behind fast food. Today's lesson, we're going to discuss central idea versus main idea. Central idea is the most important point the author wants a reader to learn about a topic. Central idea is the word used in nonfiction, whereas in fiction, we use the word theme. Central idea and theme mean the same thing. To get the central idea, use this formula. Main idea plus main idea equal central idea. Main idea is an important idea the author is trying to teach the reader. There can be many main ideas in a text. To get the main idea, use this formula. Detail, detail, detail equal main idea. When you're trying to learn everything about a topic, it is critical to pay attention to the central idea the author is trying to make. I know that in the past, you may have learned some strategies to help you do this. So can you quickly turn and talk with your partner and list some strategies that help you determine the central idea? And go. Wow, so I definitely heard some of the examples that I had on my chart. Sometimes an author just says the central idea in a pop-out sentence that says what a big chunk of the text is about. Or the first or last sentence in a section might tell us the central idea. Sometimes it's in the middle, or we can even look at the headings and the subheadings to determine the central idea. So for today's teaching point, I want to teach you that nonfiction readers work hard to determine a text's central ideas. One way to do this is to notice important details in the text and then look across those details and think, how do these details fit together? Let me give you some examples of what I mean. So imagine I found these details in the text. It seems like they would fit together in a straightforward way, right? But now you need to find the right words to convey how these things fit together. The main idea should come from your mind. So I asked myself, how do these details fit together? So the main idea I came up with was, they are all utensils. Let's look at a longer text. So then I had to think to myself, again, how do these details fit together? Some of you are already shouting out, and I'm so happy and proud that you're getting the hang of this. Because my main idea was, they're all things you eat with. Wow, we're already getting it. Make me proud. Or some of you even said, they're all things you find in the kitchen. So again, remember I said, the text may have many main ideas, but essentially, they're all the same. So our central idea, remember, main idea plus main idea equals central idea. So our central idea would be that all of these details are things that you can find in the kitchen. So, did you see how I just looked at all the details? I stopped and asked myself, how do these details fit together to come up with main ideas? And then I added up the main ideas to create a central idea in my own words. And thank you for your help. So, let's try it together. I'm going to read this aloud and you can read with me. I've already went ahead and annotated, hint, hint, wink, wink, highlighted all of the details that seemed important to me. Selling more soda to kids has become one of the easiest ways to meet sales projections. Influencing elementary school students is very important to soft drink marketers. An article in the January 1999 issue of Beverage Industry explained, because children are still establishing their tastes and habits, 8-year-olds are considered ideal customers. They have about 65 years of purchasing in front of them. Entering the schools makes perfect sense, the trade journal concluded. So the main idea of paragraph 1 would be, soda companies market to kids to make more money. Let's try this with paragraph 2. The fast food nations also benefit enormously when children drink more soda. The chicken nuggets, hamburgers, and other main courses sold at fast food restaurants usually have the lowest profit margins. Soda has by far the highest. We at McDonald's are thankful. A top executive once told the New York Times that people like drinks with their sandwiches. Today, McDonald's sells more Coca-Cola than anyone else in the world. The fast food chains purchase Coca-Cola syrup for about $4.25 a gallon. A medium Coke that sells for $1.29 contains roughly 9 cents of syrup. Buying a large Coke for $1.49 instead, as the cute girl behind the counter always suggests, would add another 3 cents worth of syrup and another 17 cents in pure profit for McDonald's. Main idea of paragraph 2 would be fast food companies sell the most amount of soda. So again, what is our central idea formula? Say it with me. Main idea plus main idea equals central idea. Now ask yourself, how do these main ideas fit together? So a central idea we could come up with is that fast food companies market soda products to kids so they can make more money. So, again, today we learned that it's really important to notice important details and main ideas in the book that you are reading because they might lead you to the central idea. And you can do this by asking yourself, stop and think, how do these details or how do these main ideas fit together? So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, Miss Julie and I will be happy to answer them during independent work time. You can write them down so you don't forget them. Have a great day.